Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everybody. So welcome to my channel Muna Driving Training in Abu Dhabi. Today I am with my student Miss Sarah. Miss Sarah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Miss Sarah, she's from Morocco, and she's with me now for training classes for driving. This video is part number 2 regarding how to use your hand with the steering, how to handle your steering while turning. So special this video part number 2 because before I have last video regarding how to use the steering properly and safe way. We are in emergency stop. We want to move. Please, Miss Sarah, change your gear. Indicator left, close your hazard light, move, check your mirrors, then move. So ahead we have a signal. Junction is controlled by traffic signal. We are going to change lane accordingly to the left because we want to make U-turn. We check center mirror, left side mirror, shoulder check, indicator left. How to handle your steering while making U-turn. As you know, Miss Sarah, she is going straight. So both of hand, she is making 10 o'clock. 10 to 10 o'clock, sorry. So this video for the beginners, as you know, most of students of people in my channel, they are requesting for English video. That's why I start to make more videos regarding training while driving. So all the times you have to keep safety distance while stopping. You have to see the rear tires of the vehicle in the front. If you are stopping in the traffic signal or anywhere you stop for something, you have to see the rear tires of the front vehicle. So if you are the first time you are watching my video, don't forget to make like, subscribe and share with your friend, and press the bell to get new videos regarding driving training in Abu Dhabi with Muna. So now we are going to make U-turn in the traffic signal. So Miss Sarah, she is making hand over hand because we are turning full steering to the left. As I told you before, hand over hand means Caesar method, like a Caesar. So we call it Caesar method, hand over hand. Both of hand, they are turning each other. We have to make U-turn in the roundabout. We will repeat the same exercise, Miss Sarah. So Miss Sarah, thank you very much to share with us this video with all followers in my channel.
Welcome.
And we want to show to for all people or all students, those who are beginners, how to use your hand, both of your hand in the steering properly and safely. If I am going straight, my hand and the steering 10 to 10 o'clock. So more control. Full turn please in the roundabout. While turning in the roundabout, we have to try to respect the position of the vehicle while turning. So that means you have to see the lines from the mirrors here and here, and the exit from the left lane. From the same lane you enter, you have to exit. Then after 50 meters, or 100 meter, you have to come back accordingly to the right lane. So you change your lane accordingly, one by one, to the right lane. Again, Miss Sarah, we have to repeat the same exercise. You turn from traffic signal. We have to change accordingly lanes from right to the center, then to the left lane, extremely lane. Because U-turn, we have to do it only from extremely left lane. Regarding the U-turn, we have narrow island. This one we call it narrow island, and we have a big island. I did before in on my channel. I did before. You can check in my videos before. So if the narrow is small or narrow, we have to enter from left, then exit from the center lane. So all the time, as I say before, for the beginners, for us who are students for driving, they want to learn how to drive safely. So they have to know the basic of driving. Basic of driving first of all, we have to know how to use the steering properly and safely. So all the time, my hand 10 to 10 o'clock if I'm going straight, and if I'm turning, try to use scissor method, more safe, and you can feel more control. You can have more control on your vehicle. Scissor method means hand over hand. So if you want to be a very good driver, very safe driver, you want to pass your test from the first time, so please be with me. Look at Miss Sarah, how she's using the steering while turning, hand over hand. Very good. Then we enter from the left lane and we exit from the center lane, because the island is very narrow and we have to come back to the right lane. Only here. As a beginner, as I told you before, many videos before, Arabic and English, we have to come back to the right lane without any instructions. Why? Because I am new for driving, I am beginner, so more safe for me to drive in the right lane. Low speed, I have hazard only from one side, left side, and if my car broken down, I will not obstruct the traffic very much. Around the boat right, please. We are going around the boat right. Turn right. Go to the side parking, please. So thank you very much, Miss Sarah.
Thank you
for this video. So thank you very much. Thank you for all those who are watching my videos. Thank you to watch my video, and don't forget to make like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Muna driving training in Abu Dhabi. See you in next video. Bye bye.